Hello traders, in this video I want to show you another beautiful strategy that you can use to make money every day from the forex market. This strategy is so powerful and it is very easy, and why I love this strategy is because it is the easiest and the simplest way to make money in the forex market, especially for newbies. If you are a newbie, this strategy will make things very easy for you. You don't have to trade complicated strategy. You just need to keep it very simple and very easy, and you'll be able to make money gradually from the market. This is very important. Even if you're an experienced trader and you're finding it difficult to trade, you're not making enough profit, this strategy can be one way that can help you to break the siege in your trading career. Okay, so this is USD card, United States dollars card, and let us see how you can trade it. You just actually need to install an indicator on your chart. Okay, and you can use your MT4 to trade this strategy, but it is preferred if you use your trading view. And how do you do it? You have to click here on your trading view. So once you've clicked there, so it will bring you to the indicator section. You just have to type here. All right, you type the indicator, and the name of the indicator is the power of 3 indicators. The power of 3 indicator by TF Lab. Right, you click on the power of 3 indicator by TF Lab here. Okay, so once you clicked on it, it would apply the indicator on your chart. And what does this indicator do? The indicator will identify the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution on your chart. Now, the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution refers to the market cycle every day. This is the behavior of the market day in and day out. The market begins with an accumulation, right? And the accumulation happens at the Asian session. And what does this mean? At the Asian session, the market will consolidate. All right, the market will consolidate, and that is accumulation of orders by the institutional traders. All right, so and after that, at the London session, the market will break out of the accumulation, and what we refer to as the manipulation. All right, so this happens at the Asian session, but at the London session, the market will break out from the accumulation. And so once the market breaks out of the accumulation, you are not yet trading. You are only trading at the distribution phase. Okay, and the distribution phase you are going to trade is in the opposite direction of the manipulation. This is going to be our trade, and the direction of the trade will be at the opposite direction. Now you see the manipulation happens as a buy, but you're going to trade the distribution as a sell in the opposite direction of the manipulation. And the distribution happens mostly at the New York Open, and that is going to be our trade. So this happens every day. The market will first consolidate or accumulate orders, breaks in a direction. It could be in the opposite direction, it could be in a sell direction, but you need to understand that in whatever direction the market breaks out from the accumulative phase, you have to trade the opposite direction as the distributive phase. Okay, very important. So what this means is that orders accumulated here, retailers will place their stop losses right there at the opposite direction of the accumulation breakout, and then institutional traders have manipulated the market in the opposite direction. All right, manipulating the market to make retailers think that it's going to be a buy trade. So they would enter a buy trade here and put their stop loss right there, only for the market to reverse at the New York Open and wipe all stop losses here. So look at another example here. The market happened here. There's an accumulation. Then the market broke out in the London session with a manipulation, and then there was a distribution. Now, how do you trade the distributive phase here? How you trade the distributive phase is you want to allow the market, after the breakout, the manipulative breakout have occurred, you want to allow the market to break structure. The market happens, you're having bullish market structure this way. In the accumulative phase, you're having a bullish market structure. So you want to have the market break structure to indicate, which happened here, right? Let's look at it. At the manipulative phase, you are seeing that the market is creating higher highs and higher lows, as in this case. So the market broke structure here, all right, indicating that the market is about to sell. So the market broke structure, the market will now return to the other block, and sometimes it will return to the FVG. So the market, this is a break of structure, then this would be your sell indication, and you ride the market down. So this is another example of the strategy. You have the market accumulating, breaks up to the upside, right? And now the market sold here. Okay, here you can see there was a break of structure right there. Here the market broke structure here and returned here, which will now be your sell point, and you ride the market down. There was a break of structure here, sort of. Okay, and you sell. Okay, so look at a buy scenario. We've considered two sell scenarios. Look at a buy scenario of this strategy. You find that the market accumulated orders. Okay, there was a minor breakout, not so prominent, but there was some sort of slight breakout here. And then when that happened at the manipulative phase, and then the market broke structure to the upside and now return here, giving you an entry, and you ride the market up. So this is the sell trade, the buy trade for the day, the distributive phase for the day. And why this becomes easy for you is because there's already an indicator that would mark it for you. So once you see the indicator has shaded it in different colors, once the indicator has shaded that, the distributive phase has shaded this color, started shading this color, you understand, you know that you are already in the distributive phase, and then you have to look for a proper entry. You don't need to think too much. All you just need to do is to pay attention to the color change. All right, this is what the indicator does. You have to pay attention to the color change, and once you have seen that the color, this has started emerging, this color has started emerging, which is shows the distributive phase, then you have to look for entry. All right, you place your stop loss somewhere around there, and you can trail your stop loss. You can trail your stop loss up, or you can do 1:2 risk to reward ratio, 1:3 risk to reward ratio. All right, this is another example for Australian dollar USD. All right, so you also have the market giving you accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. And this, you know, this is going to be our trade. The distribution is going to be our trade. So the market broke structure here and then returned here. Okay, returned here, and this will be the trade you have to take for the day. All right, so this is another example. This is another example as well. It occurs in different shades and forms, but it becomes easy because you have an indicator, a smart indicator that will do it well for you. All right, you don't need to think too much. Look at this one again. This is the GBP USD. In GBP USD, you see how the market gave you an accumulation and then broke out of the accumulation in the manipulative phase, and then there was a break of structure here, and then return to the other block here. You place your stop loss right there, you ride the market up and make your lovely, this could be up to like 1:4 or 5 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so another example as well here: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, your trade for the day. Okay, it becomes easy because you already have the indicator shade everything for you by the change of color. You know that you're in each phase. Very lovely trade, and one of the easiest way you can trade the market as a newbie or even as a pro trader. This strategy can help you to make the same profits from the market. If you're here to join our free Telegram community, do not fail to do so. The link is in the description box of this video. There I share a few setups and analysis that can help you to trade at your own discretion. Now, if you need me to train you one-on-one, all right, take you by the hand and help you become a profitable trader, do not fail to contact me. My contact detail is in our free Telegram community, and the link to our free Telegram community is in the description box of this video. If you're here to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please do not fail to do so. That encourages me to make more useful content for you that will benefit more traders. Look at this example here as well. In this example, you see how that the market here gave you an accumulation and a manipulation, okay, and then there was a break of structure here, and then the market returned here with this. All right, the market returned here and gives you an entry on this with this other block. All right, or this demand zone. You place your stop loss right there and you ride the market to that point. Okay, so here as well you have another example. Okay, so you can see this is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution as well. Okay, here again you have a lovely setup that gives you a good trade for the day. So virtually every day you should have a setup while trading this strategy. It is a very lovely strategy and very easy strategy, and more so it is easy because you have an indicator that has made it so easy for you by identifying each of the sessions, each of the stage, the accumulation, the manipulation, and the distribution. And I repeat, you are only trading the distributive phase, distribution daily of strategy. All right, so if you're here to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends, and give this video a thumbs up. That will encourage me to make more useful content for you. And if you need me to train you, mentor you one-on-one, I do one-on-one mentorship. And the reason why I do one-on-one mentorship is because I know that each person has their individual learning curve, and I stoop to your level, become flexible for you so that you can be able to understand, and I teach you all the secrets you need to know to become profitable. Even if you have spent years trading the market with no result, I will show you how easy you can do it and become profitable, right? And the way you can do that is to contact me. My contact details in our free Telegram community, and the link to my free Telegram community is in the description box of this video. All right, so let me know in the comment section if this strategy is good. If you love it, you need to backtest it and see if it works for you. If it does, why not? You can have it as one of your trading strategies with which you make profit and with which you trade. So until I come your way next time with another useful content, you have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.